Guys, Canva became the game changer for me about 5 years ago. When I realized that, I was just stressing myself with CorelDraw, Photoshop, Illustrator, and I never knew that everything I was stressing myself about was already in Canva. With a whole lot more. And then the painful part was when I realized that everything I needed in Microsoft PowerPoint was already in Canva. Thinking about it, I just felt so bad that I spent all these years learning how to use Illustrator, CorelDRAW, Photoshop. They are still good. They are really useful when it comes to advanced designs. But for all I was doing then, which were not really as advanced as, professional designs, which were like basic to intermediate designs, I felt cheated because how would it be as easy as a drag and drop? Who even invented drag and drop? And I'm telling you, like, this is what is prevalent now. We have a whole lot of no code tools. We have people trying to simplify to the basics what professionals do. I don't want to even talk about other softwares that are, making video editing so easy, as compared to the likes of Adobe Premiere Pro and all of that. So I really felt cheated because it just felt like I spent a whole lot of time learning all of these tools for nothing. And the interesting part in this is all of this, Canva started in 2013. The story of when Melanie Perkins was teaching and she realized that students were really stressed out. They were afraid of complex designs. She had to team up with some other people and then they came up with, they call it a one-stop shop for design. Now, Canva didn't just build a tool, they innovated every single year. From 2013 to 2015, they had to master the drag and drop, launched like a massive of free templates for people to use. From 2019 to 2021, they now moved beyond static images. They introduced full video editing and Canva for work, which was really like a game changer. Now, 2022 to 2024 was when Canva I'd say entered the Visual Suite era, right? They replaced everything that had to do with Microsoft Office. Microsoft Docs, PowerPoint, which was really like a game changer, and other things that Microsoft had. And then 2025 to 2026, that's when they went into AI, deep learning. They basically want to make everybody a creative editor. They want us to have high professional grade video editings with just maybe using a smartphone and AI does the rest for you. You and I literally have no idea all of the capabilities of Canva. I think I would need to mention some of them. The first one is Magic Media, which is used to generate high definition media clips with just a prompt. That's it. Then the second one is the Canva websites, which is used to build highly responsive websites that are industry standard. The third one is the brand hub that helps you keep all your designs together, have like a proper branding for your company. The fourth one is the Magic Switch, which helps you transform your design, like maybe a design into a presentation, a blog, a whole lot of that. Now, another one is the live collaboration, which is like helps you to collaborate with people in real time. Another one is the advanced photo editor that just helps you with the help of AI. It just helps you change backgrounds, change your images from basic images to professional looking images. It does a whole lot. Now, there are other ones like data autofill that helps you generate charts and reports, data driven. Another one is also the professional video suite as well that helps you to edit, generate all of the effects that your video needs. All of these are on Canva, right? Another one too is the Magic Write. Magic Write helps you to check your grammar, spellings, help you with scripts for your presentation and everything media related. And then the final one is the one that is called Print on Demand. I think it helps you to, convert whatever design you see to a shirt, billboard design, and ship it. Dimensions, everything accurate, 100%. This is really crazy. Let me wrap this up. If you're not using Canva for half of the things I mentioned, you're not missing out 100%. But if you're not using Canva at all for all of what I mentioned, and you're really not aware of all of the things that I said previously, then I think you're missing out. No code tools, no design tools, drag and drop is the way the world is going. Just jump on it. Thank you for watching me.